Good morning, everyone. My name is Akash, and my topic is nucleic acid databases. The nucleic acid databases are a collection of data for nucleotide sequences, different types of DNA, RNAs, etc. Some famous and large databases include GenBank, AMBER, DDBJ, Unigene, and SCORE. The first one is GenBank. GenBank was established in 1988 as a part of NCBI under the National Institute of Health. It is a nucleic acid sequence database to which data is submitted directly by the researchers. That means it is a redundant and non-curated type of database. Entrance is the search and retrieval system for all the NCBI databases. It helps in retrieval of information by extracting data from all the databases using different tools and features like booleans operator, etc. The service called linkout expand the links obtained computationally between different records to the external services. Bankit is a web-based JetBank sequence submission tool. This is required for submitters to connect to NCBI homepage and select a JetBank link from the side left bar. It is also used for simple submission and updating of the submitted records. Sequin is a standalone software tool developed by NCBI which aids and helps in submission and updating the entries to the sequence database and help in handling the multiple sequence submissions. It also helps in increasing the capacity for the submission of the complex and long sequences, multiple annotated and segmented sets of DNA, phylogenetic and also for the study of the phylogenetic and population studies. It also provides graphical viewing and editing options. GenBank entry include description of the sequence, scientific name or taxonomy of the organism, bibliographic references, and table of features listing biologically significant features like coding regions, domain, motifs, etc. Accession number is a unique identifier assigned to each and entire sequence record when the record is submitted to the GenBank. Version consists of accession number followed by GI and the version number blast N. N where stands for the nucleotide is a tool to cross-link the similarities among the sequence of different sources for which the data is added in the form of the FASTA files. RefSeq reference sequences is a collection of non-redundant set of curated nucleotides and protein sequences which with the corresponding features and bibliographic annotations. The another one is Unigene. Unigene is a system for automatically partitioning GenBank sequences into a non-redundant set of gene-oriented clusters. Each Unigene cluster has a sequence that represents a unique gene. It also contains related information such as tissue types in which the gene was expressed and its map locations. Therefore, it is largely automated analytical system for producing an organized view. A genome-based clustering system is used to build Unigene clusters to identify the sets of transcript sequences which correspond to distinct transcription loci or to the annotated genes. The Unigene cluster are also used as a source of Unigene sequence for the fabrication of the microarray for the large-scale studies of the gene expressions. EMBL nucleotide sequence database. EMBL stands for the European Molecular Biological Laboratory, maintained by the European Bioinformatics Institute, Kingston, Cambridge, UK. It is a part of INSDC, that is International Nucleotide Sequence Database Collaboration, which also includes DDBJ and GenBank. This EMBL nucleotide sequence database aims to build and prepare biological database and other computational services to data deposition and data analysis and make them available to the scientific community easily. The databases releases are produced quarterly and integrated with the API's SRS. SRS stands for the Sequence Retrieval System Server. FTP server is another file retrieval system which stands for the File Transfer Protocol, which is standard network protocol used to transfer file from one host to the another host. The sequence retrieval system, it integrates and links comprehensive collection of the specialized data bank to the main nucleotide databases. The databases are searched with the help of fields such as sequence annotation, keywords, etc. Cluster W, GenMark, PRAD, etc. Some of the specialized analysis tool provided by EMBL. The database entry structure. Whenever a database is entered with a record or an entry, it is assigned with some of the description, identifier, and has been classified into four major blocks that are the description and identifier, the name, molecular type, taxonomic divisions, and other features like accession number, last update, etc. are marked to it. Citation is the detail about the associated publication and the original author or the submitter. Features explains the details including the biological features of the biological location, biological qualifiers, etc. And the sequence, the detail about the sequence, the length of the sequence, etc. are given in the fourth block. The sequence submission tools include the Webin and Sequin. Webin is an EMBL interactive web-based system for the submission of single or multiple or large number of sequences. It collects submitters information, data, description, etc. Sequin is a standalone software tool for submitting and updating nucleotide sequence to the GenBank, EMBL, and DDBJ. Sequence identifiers are the identifiers and the versions in addition to the accession number in the EMBL. Identifier number remains stable while the version number changes after every updation. DDBJ. DDBJ is a nucleotides database of Asian continent established and maintained by National Institute of Genetics, Mishima, in Japan in 1986. Jetentry provides an easy way to retrieve entries from the various databases. Unique identifiers can be a session number, which apply to the complete sequence record. SRS sequence retrieval system is a data integration analysis and display tool for bioinformatics, genomic and related data. GTOP stands for genome to protein structure and functions. This uses sequence homology analysis and features extensive utilization of the information on the 3D structure. GIB Genome Information Broker is a data repository for all the microbial genome which can be explored by ORF name and function, clone, etc. TX Search is a retrieval system developed by DDBJ for taxonomic databases to be used by DDBH, EMBL, GenBank. Sakura is a nucleotide sequence data submission system through the WW server at DDBJ. This feature makes it very user friendly and convenient. It can be used to enter and submit nucleotide sequence and translated amino sequences through this system. This also facilitates addition of functional features of the sequence along with the references and user's name, affiliation, etc. address, which also include address. Multiple sequence can also be submitted using template which differ in the fields such as source, sequence, etc. The mass submission system, this submission system is recommended when we have to submit a long nucleotide and complex genome data to the DDBJ. Score is the structural classification of RNA is a database designed to provide a comprehensive perspective and understanding of the RNA motif structure, function, tertiary interactions and their relationship. Score 2.0.3 provides a survey of 3D motif contained 579 NMR X-ray RNA structures available as per 2014. It also includes 8,270 secondary structure element of which 2,922 are hairpin loops and 5,350 are the internal loops. The structure elements are organized in a directed acyclic graph architecture allowing multiple parent classes for a motif. That means they have different routes to the same motif, different ways to the same motif. They can have different origins. Users can browse the database or search by PDP and DB identifier, keywords or the sequences, description, and cartoon representation. Each of the classes are available. Are in a motif reported in the literature. Example: king turn, S turn, GNRI loops are incorporated into this classification of the score. Thank you.